Hi friends, Oliver, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about for loop. Whoever is not knowing about simple loop and while loop, I'll give you a link in description below for my video. Just go to that video and learn about simple and while loop. Okay, so let's start today's tutorial. What is for loop? Actually, for loop is the most popular loop in PLSQL, and this is most widely used loop in the PLSQL code actually. So for loop is basically of two types: numeric for loop and cursor for loop. Today we'll be learning about numeric for loop. Cursor for loop we will learn when we will explain about the cursor actually. Okay, so let's come to the numeric for loop actually. Let's see the syntax first. Syntax is very simple and easy to learn. What is written here? You have to write the keyword for, then the loop counter. This is all up to you. Whatever you wanna write, you can write your keyword. I usually use to write I actually instead of loop counter. So you have to write for keyword, then loop counter, then the keyword in. Okay, and this is the optional keyword reverse. If you want to print anything in reverse order, if you want to take the your loop in reverse order, you have to write this keyword reverse. This is completely optional. This is all up to you. You want to take it or not. I'll give you example, no problem. And then your lower limit, double dot, then upper limit. This is somehow we used to write for loop, and then we'll use to write loop. Okay, so then after you have to write all the statements what you wanna execute one by one, and then you'll just have to end the loop using end loop keyword, then terminate it. Okay, so syntax is very simple and clear. Now let's come to example. I have written 3 examples actually. Let's see. Yeah, 3 examples actually. So let's come to first example. I just have taken a very small and basic example to let you understand how exactly is for loop work. So here what I'm doing, I just have written begin and end. I have not taken any declaration section because I'm not going to declare anything. I just have written this execution section. Okay, so inside begin what I'm doing here, I have written for, then the this loop counter I have written I in 1 double dot 10 loop. It means that this I will be initially it will be 1, then after first iteration it will become 2, then second after second iteration it will become 3, and keep on going till 10th of the iteration. Okay, and it will accordingly it will put the value, it will actually print the value, and it will end the loop here using end loop, and will end the program. So this is how our for loop work, and this is the simple example I have taken for loop actually. So now let's this thing and copy it in our SQL, copy it here and paste it in our SQL workshop to understand, to get the result actually. Okay, so this is the loop. Now let's run this query. As you can see, we got the output as 1 to 10 because we are printing here from 1 to 10. Simple and easy. Hope this concept and example is clear to you. Now let's jump to Sublime Text and see another example. So another example what I have given, I'm doing the same thing, but this time I'm using this reverse keyword. What this reverse keyword will do, this will simply reverse the keyword actually. It will start from 10 and end at 1. You don't have to do anything, just write the your loop in this thing and just write the reverse keyword actually. This is gonna reverse your loop. Instead of C and other language, you have to put some extra effort to do this thing, but in PLSQL this is very easy. Just write the reverse keyword and the whole thing will get reversed. Your loop will get reversed. You'll get the output in reverse way actually. Okay, this is same as our example 1, but the only difference is I have added this reverse keyword here. Okay, now let's copy this and copy and paste in our SQL workshop. Delete the last one, paste it here, and then run the query. So as you can see, we got the output as reverse format 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Because we used this reverse keyword, the whole loop get reversed and we are getting output according to that reverse keyword actually. Okay, now let's jump to Sublime Text and see the last example, third example what I have given here. Here I'm also doing the same thing what I have done for simple and while loop. I'm printing the table of 2 actually with the help of for loop. Okay, so get this value. What I have done, I just declared a variable called v underscore result, which is of number type. Okay, then what I'm doing, I'm just writing a for loop. I have written a for loop here and I'm saying it to go from 1 to 10, then loop will start, and v result, this this variable, this v result, what I'm doing into this v result, I'm just calculating according to I. If I will be 1, it will be 2 multiplied by 1. If I will be 2, it will be 2 multiplied by 2. If I will be 3, it will be 2 multiplied by 3, and it will keep on going until the value will become 10. Okay, and I'll printing the value here. This is the string, this is the value what after each iteration it will get here, and will getting the result after each iteration, and will this loop will run till the value of 10, and after the value, after that value, after 10, it will just close the loop actually. Okay, it will terminate it and get out of the loop actually. Okay, so hope this example is clear to you. Now let's copy this and paste in our SQL workshop and run this query. As you can see, we got the output as table of 2. Okay, so hope this example and concept is again clear to you. So as you can see, block of code is actually very simple and less as compared to a simple loop and while loop. That's why this is most preferable loop throughout our coding program. So this is how our for loop works. Hope the example and concept is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please like and share the video. It really motivates me to make more videos for you. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.